frame color, and when I just wear it, I like the frame shape as well. Probably I buy it. Oh, hi. How you doing? Nice to meet you. This is my favorite one for the body wash, body cream, and of course the candle. The name deserved because it smells the same. Oh, so good. It smells like a Sunday morning when the dryer machine finished its work. The other favorite spot center for me would be here, and fresh grapefruit slush would be the most recommended one. It's a gloomy Sunday, but I just received the package from SHEIN. Really like to unpack this package with you.
2 hours later.
First things first, I ordered this pen. Seems like sardine. It is funny. I really like it. The other one is a cookie cutter. Some pins that I can use them to level up my simple t-shirt, jeans, and make them better. The other one, dog, which is funny enough. What's next? Oh, my new case.
Aww.
Oh, I totally forgot about those. There are some dog sticker for the cloths as well. Look, for example, I can just put it here or use them more to add pattern, and maybe one of them can be used on my cap, which is not here. Some sticker. I'm crazy about sticker. They are bigger than I thought. It's okay. Some of them. And ooh. You know when you just start to add some item and buying things from SHEIN, as they are a little things sometimes, you could forget what did you order and what you are waiting for. So always shopping from SHEIN for me is exciting. These are some little other one. Probably those can work amazing on jeans. We will discover it together. Oh yeah, I really thinking about make an artwork, make a sardine, but I want it to be 3D or reflect the sun or the light or whatever, and just thinking maybe using some shiny things. I forgot the name. Maybe make it better. And last but not least, you know, when I just bought the Crocs, I really want to buy a Crocs. Besides, it is storage is filled, and I talk a lot. I said that each of them are represent different aspect of me. I love music. I love taking photos, especially with the Fuji. I'm crazy about this glasses. I love traveling. I guess it would be Libre. No, I'm not sure about the word. Maybe it means free, based on the libre on in French. And of course, I'm crazy about the iced coffee or any type of smoothie. This one represents my energy. This one would be, I love hat. Let me just put them on my Crocs and show you again.